Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Simply Earth. I absolutely love this company. They sell 100% all natural oils. They also sent me the bonus box today, which I'm really excited to show you guys this. They sent this to me when I first started, but every time you sign up for the recipe box, which is $39 a month, they send you a free bonus box for the first month, which is everything you'll need to make your recipes. Obviously, it doesn't come with everything, but it does come with a lot to get you started. Also, if you end up wanting to make other recipes, that is all in here. I also love Simply Earth because 13% of all profits go to stop human trafficking. So anything that has to do with that. I know I live in Michigan and it is a huge issue in Michigan, so I am like 100% behind this. This is what your recipe box looks like every month. So if you guys haven't watched these videos, this is what you will get every single month. It comes with 6 different recipes. We're gonna see what is in here. So this is what it looks like when you open it. You get 4 full-size oils, and oh no, I hate when they have stuff I don't know how to pronounce. So they have cypress oil, energy oil, orange, and dark patchouli. We are just gonna go with that. So that's the 4 essential oils you get in here. It looks like when you get some sticks, you get lava rock beads, and this reminds me of something that is like Vicks Vapor Rub that you like shove up your nose. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. We're gonna find out because they give you like things like that to make your recipes with. They also give you stickers that you can use, so when you do make the essential oils, or if you want to make the diffuser, it's things ahead of time. Looks like there's a lava rock diffuser, a reed diffuser, anxiety relief inhaler, which is kind of cool. I know. Anyways, so a DIY reed diffuser. So some things it doesn't come with, it says you need like vodka, distilled water in a narrow necked jar, but it comes with the reeds. So those little like sticks are called reeds. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. Anxiety relief inhaler. It tells you how to do that as well, which obviously this is what this is. Well, I love super easy recipes. It's okay to grieve diffuser blend, preserve roll on. It has everything you need. Actually, this is cool because it has a lot of these everything comes in these boxes, huh? Okay, hold on. Okay, do want to let you guys know that in a couple weeks from now, I am going to be doing a ton of different DIYs with these essential oils. I'm super excited about it because I know that so many people don't know where to start with essential oils. And I love these recipe boxes because this is like a great way to start if you don't know recipes. And because like I love making like chapstick. I've made chapstick. I have made candles. Like I said, the recipes boxes are different every single month. So this is like a really great way to start an essential oil collection. You definitely want like a good 100% like all natural essential oil. And then Simply Earth is really affordable. It's like $10 for these versus like 40 or 50. I know there's some companies I won't name charge a lot of money for smaller. And so anyways, you guys, watch out for that video in the next couple weeks. That I'm gonna show you guys like some different like cleaners, some like all natural like Febrezes. So you guys stay tuned for that. I'm still working on some recipes and some like DIYs for that, so like it's probably gonna be about like 2 weeks out, I think, maybe even 3-ish. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you guys some fun like easy recipes with essential oils. Okay, let's dive into this bonus box. So I talk about this bonus box in every single one of my Simply Earth unboxing videos. It comes in this is like your bonus box. This is what's inside of it. So you're gonna get like your coconut oils. So this is just a coconut oil like this. I think it has a topper on it. Yeah. So you get this coconut oil. This coconut oil you usually make like your lip balms and things like that with. And then you get your beeswax, which you can also make your lip balms and your candles and like all that stuff right here. Also, you get almond oil. It's fractionated. Coconut oil, and then you get fractionated almond oil. So these are like the carrier oils when you want to start making like roller balls and like roller blends. You are always going to want a carrier oil because you're not going to obviously use 300 drops of an essential oil. So you always need these. So that's why I think this is super great, because these little bottles go a really long way. And then also, if you dig inside of here, they have a bunch of these like roller balls already in here, which is amazing because like I said, if you want to make your own recipes, this is awesome. It's an awesome starter. Also, they come with these little bottles like this. So if you want to like make diffuser blends, you can make your diffuser blends like that. But yeah, you get like 5 or 6 of these. I want to say 5. I haven't seen any more. And then like 5 of these as well. And like I said, this is like something you would put your diffuser blend in if you want to like already pre-mix it. All right, so I am going to try some of these recipes, show you guys how easy it is to make a couple of theirs. I love that they just do step by step. It's really awesome because the instructions are right here, ingredients are at the top. So yeah, let's make a couple of these. Okay, so this is just an easy one. This is just a Creative Zone diffuser, and it says to make it, it's just 1 drop of cypress, 3 drops of orange, and 2 drops of energy essential oil. And then this down here, so if you want to do like a full master blend, that is so you will have it all the time. So if you do want to keep using this diffuser blend, if you end up liking it, then that is where you can just take one of these little bottles and fill it up, and then you just put the lid on, and then you'll just be able to drop it in your diffuser. So you will have this, so you don't have to keep making this blend up. So I am just going to add these to this and then turn it on and see how it smells. Okay, for these I can't actually do anything with them because I don't have a string that is small enough for these. But what you can do with lava rock beads is that you can string these to any type of like string. I would definitely like recommend to maybe get like a full bracelet of them, and then all you have to do is dump essential oil on top of them. I think this smells really good, and I think this would definitely give you a boost of energy every time you smell it. It's kind of like almost like a eucalyptus and like peppermint mixed together. But anyways, you can just use these, make a bracelet, and then you just dump this on. Depending on how much you dump, it will last about 2 to 3 days, and then you just add more essential oil to your bracelet. So this is super, super cool. For this next set, I'm gonna do a DIY reed diffuser. I don't have like a small narrowed neck jar, but I'm just gonna be leaving this right on my counter anyways. So this is super cute. This is just from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna put the little reeds right in here, or you can call them like little sticks, you can call them whatever you want. And then the directions say you add your vodka and 25 drops of any essential oil that you want. I'm gonna use orange because orange always smells like absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna add, well, I'm gonna take these out first and make sure you do the mixture. And I'm just gonna do 25 drops. Okay, so that is quite a bit. So that's kind of what 25 drops looks like. And there's like a piece of hair in there. Of course there is. It might actually be burlap from the craft room. Anyways, and then you swirl it around after you add your vodka and your water. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, and I was definitely just bearing you. I have like, this is what my area looks like. It's kind of a mess. I thought I was gonna use my tripod, but I'm literally just gonna wing this. And then you're just gonna mix it around like this. Mix it, mix it. Okay, I won't keep doing that. And then you're just gonna take the little reeds and you're gonna stick them in here like so. And then you wait like a few hours, and then you, place reeds into jar, soak for a few hours, and then you keep flipping them, and then this should be good for a few days. You keep flipping them every couple days, and this is gonna bring like a nice little orangey smell to our kitchen. I'm gonna stick it right inside here, just so my youngest daughter won't get into it. But how cute. Also, I just wanted to show you this cute little box. Simply Earth actually sent this to me, and you can put all your oils in here, which I think that is so cool. And another thing that I don't do is that on the stickers, there is like the labels you can put on the tops of your essential oils, so then you'll be able to see them like way easier. But I think this is just so stinking cute. I love this, and I think it's $19.99 on their website. Like, it doesn't matter, but I just kind of wanted to show you because I'm really excited about using it for the very first time, my new 4 essential oils. And yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys already subscribed to Simply Earth. I would love to know how many of essential oil fans I have out there, and let me know like what your favorite like DIY or diffuser blend, any type of blend you guys have, cleaner ideas for me. So if you guys want to see any of those in the next video, like let me know what you guys are looking for. It's not going to obviously be a Simply Earth video, it's just going to be a fun DIY essential oil video for you. So yeah, that's it. Also, I have a coupon code KRISTINKAYFREE and you'll get a $40 gift card along with your recipe box and your big box. So super awesome. That's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.